Tashidale to everyone. Welcome back. Learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we are part 8. Tolma Nyer Chik La De Pa. Presses to 21 Taras. Okay, let's start. Au kanaru ko ra kor wa korwa ja kigu ji sarata sa kigu si ta si jisi ma sa ta 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 naro to nga tong para par ma tong par korwa jisi ma tong par ma yata nya nga na nyen nya nyen ma kigu mi ao da da mida tha shabyu thu ka sa thuk ra jada ja dengbo je thuk je ya kigu yi sa yi nya nyen mida thuk je yi sa da 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 shabyu du ka duk pao sa ngata nga la ngal dung ngal ra ga da ga e da ya mao ca naro cho ra chor ya chor pa e da ja ki gu chi nga jing wa ya ki gu yi jing wa yi dungal ya chor jing wa yi sa dengbo se ma sa sem cha na chen sem chen ra na ta na ma sa nam la gao sa ki gu si ka sa sik sa shabyu su sik su gao sa naru so la sol sem chen nam la sik su sol korwa jisi ma tong par nyanyen mida thukje ye dungal ya chur jingwa ye semchen namla siksu sol. Okay, so here is the translation. Krowa jise matongba nyanyemida tuje dongan jaso jingwa ye semchen namla siksu sol. So you can see here all translation, and and here I have an individual the word translation. Korwa is samsara. GC is as long as. Matong par is like an empty until. Nyanyen is the nirvana Mida is not past. Tukje is compassion. Yi is by. Dugnal is suffering. Gyatsur is ocean. Actually, it's Gyatso is ocean, but there is a Ra. It's kind of here is referring in. It's also yeah, it's kind of grammar things. And when they put together, it's like Gyatsor. Jingwa is a singing. Yi is a connecting particle. It should be like a similar like the in. Semchen is a sentient beings. Nam is plural. All. La is like looking over. Siksu is a look. Sol is a request. So, so what that the meaning of this prayer in mean is that here is the main topic is like a, do not pass in nirvana. Who do not pass in nirvana? To the Buddha or Bodhisattva, whoever showing the teachings of Buddha, whoever is guiding the sentient being toward enlightenment. Those people, those great teachers requesting do not pass in nirvana. So nirvana. So here is saying Kowa jise matongbar meaning is please do not pass until so okay, maybe let's go for years. Say from the years much better. It's like please do not pass in nirvana. Please look on us, me and myself, other sentient being, my friend, my fellow all living beings are in the samsara, and we are suffering tremendously, and we are just in the ocean. We are singing. Of course, if we sing in the ocean, what happened? We will die. We cannot get out because the water is huge. Just like a similar, we are in sing in samsara, so we will not able to get out of from the suffering. It's just like you imagine, we are not getting out of like a anger. We are not getting out of the jealousy, pride. So these are we are in tight in the samsara. We are not able to getting out of from this, and then out of this like negative thing. We are doing so many negative things. When we get angry, we fight with the people. We get angry, we cause a lot of problem. We cause problem with the friend. We cause with the family. We cause world is chaos, problem. That way we are singing in samsara more deeper, and deeper. So the for the great teacher, please do not pass. Please look over us. Please requesting like please look over us to all the sentient beings who are in samsara. How long? Please look. It's like as long as the samsara is not empty. So that means if samsara is empty, no sentient beings, nobody. So that means do not pass in nirvana until the samsara is get empty. So when it's empty, that means all sentient being become already enlightened. So that is the main prayer. Croa Jisi Matombar Nyanye Mida Tuji Dungal Jazo Chingwai Semjin Namla Six souls. Please look over us. Please do not pass in nirvana until the samsara is not empty. Please. This kind of prayer, okay? Okay, so you can see a link below this video. Click on the link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning Tolma. Jema Jayo. See you later. Bye for now. Take care all.